Hello everyone, my name is Karem Ortiz and I would love to show you my portfolio project, tell you what technologies I use, why, and finally tell you my motivations to become a full stack developer. So follow me on this journey. So first of all, I would like to show you the GitHub, the README. So if you want to expand on the knowledge of learning about this application, if you're curious about it, then this is the URL, which is also provided on the profile, on my profile here on LinkedIn. Here you can clone the project if you wish to do so, or you can just scroll down and read what is this workshop about. So we are providing here an easiness of use to all our customers that wanna shop for luxury products, a wide variety of products, but with a smooth process. So user experience is at the foremost of my intentions as a developer here. So here there are several features that I describe. There is an act demo here, and I also mention it in detail. You can see on the GIF how the functionalities of the web application. And here I will talk about what technologies I use. So first of all, I use new technologies on the one hand, and I also use familiar technologies. The new technologies that I use is, for example, GraphQL, because it's a query language that allows you to query for exactly what you want, and it has a lot of pros and benefits comparing to RESTful APIs. I do know how to work with REST APIs. I had built other projects with RESTful APIs, but I decided to go with GraphQL to learn a new stack in a matter of very little time, approximately 3 to 5 days. I learned a completely new stack, GraphQL, with a Apollo server in the back end, that it was not taught during my bootcamp. So I am very fast in learning new stacks. I feel proud of having achieved this, and this is the motivation why I use a new stack in comparison to RESTful APIs. So let's go to the code. I want to show you a little bit of the code that I use here for the back end. So here in the back end, I'm using PostgreSQL with SQLize, which is like MongoDB, for example. And here in the schema, you, for example, can see the types of queries that this workshop has. You can query for a particular order by ID, for a user, for all orders, all messages, all products, all reviews. Yeah, review by ID. So in mutation is what we call in RESTful APIs, we normally call these patch requests. So we can create a user, we can create an order, but with mutations in GraphQL. And the way that we would do it in REST API will be different. We will use requests, patch requests, yeah? Or, for example, if we want to delete a review or delete a user, it will be a delete request. If we want to get some information, it will be a get request. Here we're using mutation for sign up, for create user, create order, create reviews. And the magic happens in the resolvers. So this is a little bit of the code overview here. Now I want to take you to the actual application here. So let me just go back to the home page and reload the application here. And here you can see all our products here are reloaded. You easily can follow the workshop on Twitter, which it will actually link to my Twitter because I'm very active on Twitter, but I understand that social media is very important for all applications. You can sort by price and reviews. If we sort by price, we will see from the lowest to highest, or by amount of reviews. It's not finished this project, but is enough functional to show you around. And then you can also sign up. Here you can log in. So for example, we could sign up for example with any name. Here we will sign up, for example, with io.com. We can sign up, and so then I can log in. I can go to the login page and log in here, and just say, for example, io.com, and just log in. Okay, So now I'm logging with the new user I just created. As you could see, I use the same details, and I can now shop around. Let's say I want a fantastic red dress. I can just click here, get it now, go to my shopping cart. Then I decide to buy more products. I can add another product here, this nice t-shirt for a friend or a partner. You can get it, and then you will be able to see the two products, the total for each product, and not only that, but you can also see the total amount that you will be able to pay. That you will have to pay 70 euros, and you can go to the login page. Because I'm logging, it's not asking me to log in, but you can just directly go to payment, or only go to payment if you're logged in. So here I can say this, I can just write like this, and I can use this is make. This is actually a real Stripe payment integration because it uses Stripe. I also have to implement this. I wanted to implement it, and we can just use the card that Stripe provides for testing purposes. And then you can just sign up with the 5 digit for the zip code, and then you will be notified that this was actually successful. And the way I know that as a developer is because in the Chrome developer tools we have something called objects, so we get a result as an object here. Created the payment, you get your client secret key, but it provided like kind of credential that you are authenticated to pay, that the card went through here, that it was is a way to verify if actually this card is allows you to do this payment procedure. And then you can see here, if you click on the result, you don't only see the client secret ID, but you also see that is actually successful, the status of the payment succeeded here. So this is actually how I know that the payment Stripe integration is working. So having said that, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any questions or anything about the project, or you want to see other projects from me, please do let me know. I'm available for hire right now immediately. I'm looking forward to working on an amazing team and really make a difference by building web applications that allows for growth and makes users happy. So have a great day, and look forward to hear from you.